few weeks ago, I began this 1990s bathroom renovation. This has been my bathroom for a few years and I was ready to completely renovate it. I gutted everything down to the bare studs and I am converting the tub into a walk-in shower. Now, I've never built a walk-in shower before, but I am learning step by step and I am bringing you all along for the process. Now, today's video, we are finishing up and testing our shower out to see if it can actually hold the water. So let's get started. Last y'all saw I was doing a water test on the shower pan, but y'all, we failed. Hey y'all. Okay, so it's been 72 hours since y'all last saw me. I know it doesn't seem like that. It's literally just a clip away, but anyway, it's been 72 hours since I've been in this bathroom and everything has dried. I wanted to give it ample amount of time for the red guard to dry, but today we are doing a water test. We're doing a 24-hour water test to make sure that there is no leaks or anything in the pan. This will help me prevent any issues down the line to make sure water is staying within the pan. So you want to make sure you do this step before you tile. So I bought this plug from Lowe's. I'm just gonna stop up my drain, put some water into the pan, allow it to sit for 24 hours. I also am going to draw a line where the water is at the top of the water. If that water drops below that line when I come back tomorrow at the 24-hour mark, then I know that we have a leak somewhere and we'll have to fix it. So let me go ahead. I'm going to stop up this drain and bring in some water. I don't want to use my shower head. I don't have a hose to kind of plug that into, so I'm just bringing in some buckets of water. Okay, water test is being conducted. All the water is in there. I marked where my water is. Now the water is a little bit dirty because I've been using these buckets to mix my mortar and everything. But I wanted to also, you can see that the water comes above where my shoulder and red guard is. So I wanted to see if, you know, that's pretty good, where it meets. Is that good, or do I need to put some more red guard in there and all that stuff? So I feel like we're good. I don't see any leaks, any bubbles or anything so far. The drain is not leaking or anything like that. So it's looking good so far, but the true test will be in 24 hours when I come back and see, has my water level moved? Good morning, y'all. So it is early in the morning. I am at Lowe's currently. I had to pick up another drain stopper because last y'all saw I was doing a water test on the shower pan, but y'all, we failed. The test failed. As I was like walking out of my house, I saw that water was leaking from the upstairs, and I do believe that the water is coming from the back of the pan. Luckily, no water was on the inside of the house. It was only dripping out on the outside. So what I'm gonna do, I had to come and stop and get another, I had to get another little drain plug because I broke it. When I saw the leak, I like ran upstairs and I tried to like pull it out, but I dropped like the bolt down into the drain and it washed away. So I had to come and get another one of those this morning. So my plan is, here's the plan. I kind of been sleeping on it, thinking on it, so I can figure out what I want to do. I am going to retest the drain, but I'm gonna do it slowly. So I'm gonna just fill up the pan at the bottom of the drain first. I mean, not the drain, the pan first, so I can see if the water is coming from the bottom or if it's coming like, and then as I keep adding more water, I can kind of pinpoint where the water is coming from, so I can know what I need to do, what I need to fix. Because yesterday I don't know exactly where the water is leaking from. Like, I just have an idea that it's coming from the back of the pan. So yeah, like I said, I was gonna show y'all the ups and downs of this remodel, and this is one of the downs, but we have to fix it if we want to shower. So yeah, we're gonna find it and we're gonna fix it. I look a little red from the fluorescent lights. Let's plug it. Okay. The key is going to be a little bit of water. So I just put a little bit in, and then I'm gonna come back and put some more. It's really just in the front area right now. It's not towards the back because the water drains towards the front. So I'm gonna come back in a minute. I'm gonna go outside and see if it's leaking. I don't think it is. All right, y'all, so it's been about an hour since I last updated you all. I'm about to dump some more water in there. It's no leaks. I did check outside. I also drew a line and it didn't move. So I know it's not the bottom of the pan. So I'm thinking it may be higher up where I kind of sealed my red guard. Plug it going in. I'm gonna draw my line. All right, y'all, so here is the leak that I was telling y'all about. I came onto the porch and it's right here. So it is leaking after I did the second pour. So I'm gonna go dump that water out. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad that it is leaking somewhere on those seams. I wonder if I could just bring the red guard down some more and waterproof right there. Instead of like, cause I know it's not on the pan. It's somewhere right there. So I may let it dry, put some coats of red guard on. Yeah. Cause it's not on the floor. It's somewhere on those seams. Okay. Good morning, y'all. So it's been another 72 hours. I allowed my last coat of red guard to dry. So today we are doing yet another water test. I have all my water that I'm gonna start out with ready to pour, and I'm gonna do it gradually, kind of do it the same way I did, and see if I get any leaks. We're praying, we're believing that we ain't got no leaks in here. So I'm gonna go ahead, do that, start the test. second water test is being conducted. We have our water in there and our drum. I'll see y'all in 24 hours this time. So it is 24 hours later and I just came back in the bathroom and we passed our water test. So the water's still at the line that I had and we're good to go. We're good to rock. All right, y'all. So we are officially set and approved to start toweling. So this will be the end of today's video. I just wanted to bring y'all along for when things don't necessarily grow the way that you planned. So yeah, that's what I've basically been spending the last week doing, trying to figure out how to fix the problem that was at hand. And we had to wait 72 hours both time after we red guard. So that's what, 6 days itself. So yeah, we are officially good. And I just wanted to bring this along and show y'all a part for the mistakes. Now, y'all make sure y'all tune in next Tuesday because Monday is Christmas. So I want to wish you all a happy holidays, Merry Christmas. And I don't want to post on Monday because I want to encourage you all to spend that time with family or loved ones, friends. So I will not be posting, but I will have my video going up next Tuesday. So look out for that because we are toweling next week. So I hope you all have a great holidays. I'll see you all next week. Bye.